In today's video, I'll show you how you can make your Telegram account private. So let's get started. So here we are on Telegram, and from here, once you're logged in, you want to go into your settings by tapping here on settings on the bottom right. And in here is that you would want to go into privacy and security right here. And now you would want to go here under privacy. You would have a bunch of options in here. And basically, if you don't want anybody else to be able to see your profile or your account as much, as less details as possible, then you would need to set these things into nobody, or at least my contacts, so that your friends or only on your contacts would be able to see your details. Like here in the phone number, I'm going to set this into nobody. And then who can find me by my phone number, I'm going to set it into my contacts. And then last seen in online, nobody. Profile photos, nobody. And basically everything right here, I would want it to be in nobody, so that no one else would be able to see that, and everything is pretty much private. So I'm going to leave it as that. And then forwarded message, nobody. Calls, nobody. And yeah, basically every setting right here. Again, nobody. And as you can see, some of this right here, premium subscription of the Telegram app would be required to set this into nobody. So you would have to buy that in order for you to set that into private. And to the message, as you can see right here, messages is only available for Telegram Premium, as you can see right here. So you can set your price per message, and then you would now be able to unlock this with Telegram Premium. Or you could also go for My Contacts and Premium Users. So yeah, you would have to upgrade your account. Also here in the invites, we can set this to nobody with no problem. And with this, we have now successfully made our Telegram account as private as possible. Depending if you have the premium account here in Telegram, then you could turn every option here into nobody. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.